Energy-efficient windows Frisco are the perfect solution for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Frisco window installation services offer a wide range of options, including double-glazed windows Frisco, which provide superior insulation and noise reduction. With Frisco window insulation experts, you can ensure your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer, maximizing energy efficiency. Vinyl window replacement Frisco is a popular choice for those seeking durability and low maintenance, especially when paired with energy-efficient windows Frisco. Frisco window upgrade solutions include a variety of styles and materials to match any home aesthetic. Window installation services Frisco are available for those needing quick fixes or complete overhauls, ensuring your windows are always in top condition. Frisco window glass replacement is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows, including energy-efficient windows Frisco. Thermal windows Frisco are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Frisco window sealing services provide an additional layer of protection against drafts and moisture, enhancing overall window efficiency. A window contractor Frisco can guide you through the process of selecting and installing the right windows for your home, including energy-efficient windows Frisco. Frisco window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining structural integrity and preventing air leaks. Energy-saving windows Frisco are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Frisco window maintenance services ensure your windows remain in optimal condition, including energy-efficient windows Frisco, extending their lifespan and performance. Window efficiency experts Frisco can assess your current windows and recommend improvements to enhance energy savings. Frisco window retrofitting is an excellent option for upgrading existing windows without the need for complete replacement. Window weatherproofing Frisco protects your home from the elements while supporting energy-efficient windows Frisco. Frisco window energy ratings provide valuable information on the performance and efficiency of different window options. Window performance Frisco is a key consideration for homeowners looking to maximize comfort and savings. Frisco window durability solutions offer long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear, complementing energy-efficient windows Frisco. Window styles Frisco range from traditional to modern, allowing homeowners to customize their windows to suit their personal taste. Frisco window customization options include various colors, finishes, and hardware to create a unique look. Window technology Frisco incorporates the latest advancements in materials and design to enhance performance and efficiency, especially for energy-efficient windows Frisco. Frisco window aesthetics are an important factor in boosting curb appeal and increasing property value. Window longevity Frisco ensures your investment lasts for years to come, providing reliable performance and energy savings. Energy-efficient window replacement Frisco is a wise choice for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and comfort using energy-efficient windows Frisco. Frisco window installation services provide expert guidance and quality workmanship to ensure a seamless installation process. Double-glazed windows Frisco offer superior insulation and soundproofing, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Frisco window installation services offer top-notch solutions for those seeking energy-efficient windows Frisco. Our expert window contractors in Frisco specialize in double-glazed windows, ensuring superior window insulation and energy savings. With a focus on window performance and window energy ratings, our Frisco window insulation experts provide unmatched window efficiency and window durability solutions. For homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetics, Frisco window customization services pair beautifully with energy-efficient windows Frisco. Our vinyl window replacement Frisco services are perfect for those seeking a modern look with long-lasting window longevity. Frisco window aesthetics are enhanced with our wide range of window styles, ensuring your home stands out in the neighborhood. Window installation services Frisco are essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows, including energy-efficient windows Frisco. Our Frisco window maintenance services include window sealing and window weatherproofing to protect against the elements. With Frisco window glass replacement and window frame replacement, we ensure your windows remain in top condition, providing energy-saving windows Frisco residents can rely on. Frisco window upgrade solutions are ideal for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency with energy-efficient windows Frisco. Our energy-efficient window replacement Frisco services focus on window retrofitting and window technology to maximize energy savings. With thermal windows Frisco and window efficiency experts Frisco, we guarantee improved window performance and reduced energy costs. Window contractor Frisco services are dedicated to providing high-quality solutions built around energy-efficient windows Frisco. Our Frisco window retrofitting and window weatherproofing Frisco services ensure your home is protected and energy efficient. With a commitment to window durability and window longevity Frisco, we offer solutions that stand the test of time. Frisco window energy ratings are crucial for understanding the efficiency of energy-efficient windows Frisco. Our Frisco window durability solutions focus on providing windows that withstand the test of time while maintaining optimal performance. With a range of window styles Frisco and window customization options, we cater to every homeowner's unique preferences. Window glass replacement Frisco services are essential for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of energy-efficient windows Frisco. Our Frisco window sealing services ensure that your windows are properly insulated, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort. With a focus on window maintenance and window efficiency, we provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs. Frisco window frame replacement services are designed to enhance the structural integrity and appearance of energy-efficient windows Frisco. Our energy-saving windows Frisco solutions focus on improving window performance and reducing energy costs. With a commitment to window aesthetics and window technology Frisco, we offer innovative solutions for modern homes. Window retrofitting Frisco services are perfect for those looking to upgrade their existing windows while maintaining energy-efficient windows Frisco. Our Frisco window weatherproofing services protect your home from harsh weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting window performance. With a focus on window energy ratings and window efficiency experts Frisco, we provide solutions that enhance your home's comfort and value.